Hello there, everyone. I hope you are enjoying spring. I know times are very hard right now because of the pandemic, and life isn't perfect, but we can always make the most of what we have. For example, when I'm at my lowest, what I do is I have this little garden at home, and I just go out. I trim the grass, I look for bugs among my roses, and I look for weeds. So I try to keep myself really busy, keep my eyes really busy, so that I don't have time to think or worry. So I practice mindfulness at all times, and before you know it, I'm okay again, and I drink a freshly squeezed fruit juice, and I'm ready for the day. And actually, I was able to chat with a few wonderful people, and I asked them, what do you do when you're feeling down? What are your tips? What can you share? And they are actually here, and they joined me, and I am very excited to share their messages.
Hi, I'm SHEILA NEUFELD, and I'm an artist here in Vancouver. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite spots when I'm feeling down or I just want to keep feeling good. This is Pacific Spirit Park. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. And this is my favorite trail. It's Sword Fern. Sword Fern has just this way of making me feel better. It's really magical and I absolutely love it. It's like therapy for me, honestly. It's really great. So what I say to anyone who's not feeling good, get out, enjoy nature, and I guarantee you you'll feel better. Absolutely. Have a great day.
Three ways I pick myself up after having a bit of a low day or a bit of a down day, just to get back on track. Number one, remind myself that everything is temporary and tomorrow is a chance of another fresh start and a better day. Number two is let out whatever I'm feeling. If I'm feeling frustrated, if I'm feeling sad, if I'm feeling whatever emotion I'm feeling, I have to let it out. And it might be through a little bit of a cry, a little bit of a journaling, maybe I go for a run, release some of that energy that I'm feeling. Number three is that I repeat some affirmations to myself that I truly tell myself to believe, because you can repeat words to yourself and it means nothing, but you need to read these affirmations and then really believe them for yourself. And so that's what I do.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Lear, and outside of my full-time HR role, I'm a certified life coach and soon-to-be certified divorce coach. When I think about when I'm overwhelmed and experiencing a lot of fear, I think about, okay, what can I control? And I take a few deep breaths. And I think, what is my fear? And I've learned over the years that fear really means face everything and rise. I focus on what I want and what I can control, and then I just go for it. So I hope you find this helpful, and if you need to reach out for extra support, please do. I love serving women and helping them to realize their next best life. Thank you.
I'm DANIT SIBS. When I'm feeling low and down, I take a moment to step back and breathe. And then I think of three things that I'm grateful for. It could be something small, whatever is meaningful to you. It could be that you were able to get a good night's sleep. It could be that you're grateful for a pet or a loved one or a friend, any phone call with someone that you care about, especially during this time right now in COVID, right? We're all trying to get on the phone to talk to a loved one because we may not be able to see them. So I take a moment to step back and remember that I have so many things that are great in my life, and I express some gratitude.
Hi, my name's Heather, and one of the things that I like to share with my students when they are anxious or just feeling a little bit uncomfortable is I always get them to actually put their hands in the air and just start moving around. So it takes you out of your mind and into your body. And as you're doing this, you can think of some inspirational music in your mind if you like, or if you're at home, you can totally play some inspirational theme songs just to get you into a better mood. But moving around and getting more into your body will actually take a lot of that anxiety away. And just putting yourself in this type of posture will actually get yourself out of that anxious state of mind as well.
Know that you are not alone, and we all can get through hard times together. Once again, I thank all of these wonderful women, wonderful people who came together to join me in this collaboration, because what we want to do is inspire one another, empower one another, and lift each other up. Enjoy your day. Enjoy spring. Bye for now.